This is Blaster's Air Tool Conditioner demonstration how-to video. Blaster's Air Tool Conditioner, also known as ATC, brings new life to old, worn, and dirty air tools. Before using Blaster Air Tool Conditioner, this worn impact wrench was only capable of turning 15,690 RPMs. Step 1. Remove the air supply line if the tool is connected. Step 2. Spray air tool conditioner into the tool's air intake port for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then allow the cleaners and conditioners to work on the internal components for 15 minutes. Step 3. Reattach the air supply line and cover the tool's exhaust port with a rag or towel. Now, run the tool for approximately 3 to 5 seconds to blow out the dirt and grime from inside the air tool. As you can see by this real-world demonstration, Blaster's Air Tool Conditioner gave new life to this old impact wrench. After using ATC, the impact wrench now turns 27,120 RPMs, which is an amazing 72% increase in performance.